Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Topps Match Attack football cards, the new signings update with 63 cards in. I'm going to be giving you a full look through at what you can get from this, and you should look out for this a rare and exclusive mystery, an energy card available in 1 in 10 lucky packs, which is a 10% chance. So it's basically includes 63 cards, 24 base cards, 6 rainbow foil cards, 16 exclusive new signing cards, 1 exclusive new signing limited edition, 7 blue crystal parallel cards, 5 heritage foil cards, 1 100 club foil card, which is good, 1 blackage, and that's good too, 1 exclusive classic celebration card, 1 exclusive generation now card, 1 energy exclusive new signing card, 1 in 10. It also has a digital coupon code. You can get all of these. And you can also get, the new update. So let's open it. I've never opened it. I'm so excited. And this is 1,490 rupees. If you're interested to buy it, I'll post a link down in the description if you're interested. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's so premium. Okay, let's see if we got separate packs. Okay, we didn't, but we got one pack here. I think that's it. Yeah, so we have this, and it's written here, yoo-hoo, congratulations for unlocking the box of happiness. It has our hand-picked sets, especially curated from the rarest of the cards in the collection. We hope you enjoy and have a blast with them. Feel free to write back at this email. So feel free to do that, and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, which is now X, and YouTube. Okay, box aside, I really like the logo on this. It's so premium, even though it's small. Like, it's compared to the size of my hand, it's around the size of my hand. And even though, like, compared to multi-packs and everything, this looks way more premium. I cannot wait. Okay, so let's see here. We have a pack. I see a blackage 100 club over there. I'm sure there's a blackage, because they told that there is a guaranteed blackage. Okay, let's open this, and I want to take it out from the back side. Okay, let's see what we have. You know what, we'll just start from this. Okay, we've got new signings, Lenny Yaro. Nice. I like the look of this. Okay. In fact, oh, we got the generation now Rafael Leo. It looks so good. I like it so much. Take a look at that. I really wanted one of these. Okay. And we've got this one. There's a little bit of glitter on it. Okay. We've got Jamal Musiala Classic Celebration. Right? Okay, we have 88 attack, 66 defense. Nice. Good card. 9.9 million. Bayern Munich. Okay. We're coming to the blackage. I know what it is, but I cannot wait to show it to you guys. You guys will be so excited. It is the one and only, Kylian Mbappe. Doesn't he look brilliant? Goal involved at 1.1, the highest we've ever seen, and it is really high. It is hard to find, really high rarity. and I'll probably be selling this away or trading it with one of my friends. But this is so good. I cannot wait to show it to my friends. So yeah, that's that. We have a 100 club. Grimaldo, not bad. I like the look of this. 100 clubs have never gotten old. They look really nice. And we've got a digital coupon code. And I think I shouldn't be showing this for long because you guys will use it. So, and we've got these. Why are these guys sticking out? Okay. We've got a quiz and win. Who's Tottenham Hotspur's FC club captain? Okay, listen. I have no idea. But we got some heritages. I'm not going to be showing you through them. We've got this one. It's Saxon. Ooh, Giovanni Fabian. We've got Luis Palma. We've got Rudiger. I like the look of this card. The silver card. We've got Galeno. Nice man of the match there. We've got Declan Rice. I really like this player. Man of the match. Rodrigo Silva. Camavinga Silva. I have this card, so it's not that surprising. Okay, now we're coming to the bases. We have quite a lot here. In fact, we have all of these bases. Right? I cannot wait to see if I've got an energy or not. I've got some more bases and clubs. Honestly, I'm not that into clubs. I don't really care. Ooh, we got a Youngman Son. I like this card. It looks brilliant. Ooh, this entire thing is stuck. Look, it's stuck. Okay, I'll take that out. Oh gosh, it's actually not coming. Okay, we've got one more club, and then we got some stuff. So we've got new signings. Joao Palhinha. Nice, cool looking card. We've got another one. We've got Xerxes. We've got Gray, I think. Brilliant. I've got Onana. I know this person. The first person I actually know of. Yep. We got Matson. How many of these have we got? It's Ian Matson. We've got Nuno Tavares. Nice card. We've got Thuram from Juventus. Yeah. We have Morata. Zielinski. Reminds me of Zelensky. We have Michael Ollis. Juan Cabell. This thing isn't coming out again. Yeah, we've got Taremi. And we got 4 more. We got Mikautadze, Niakate, Zaniolo, Ito. So that's it. I didn't get anything. I just got, I think, Generation Now Rafaelio. I think this is the limited edition card. And you get 1 in 10 you get Kylian and energy. But there is a chance that you get Kylian Mbappe energy, but we got Kylian Mbappe Black Edge, and I am really happy about that. And we also got, Ronaldo. So this helps so much in my, in my collection. I don't have much, and I have a lot of these new signings things. I can trade them for good things for my friends. These are all normal cards, heritages, man of the match, silver cards, and we have this. So yeah, I think that's it. But coming to the main thing, is it worth buying this, or should you just stay off multi-packs? Well, I'm gonna go for, if you like getting these type of cards, limited edition cards, or cards like this, I would say go for it. And you want to have a unique, you want to have a unique collection, sure. You can take it. 1,490. You can have, there's a snowballer, star ballers, this one, and there's also a woman's one where you get woman characters. So, but otherwise, I think for collection wise, for the, if you want to sell it off, I think it's better you just stick with multi-packs or get flow packs or hero packs. I think you just stay off that, but this was very interesting. It was a unique pack. I really liked it. But I mean, that's up to you guys. You can, choose whatever you want. But this certainly looks really good. Like the white and gold itself is good with the red, and Rafaelio himself wearing red and white looks so good. It looks so nice. Exclusive edition. I like that. This is, not that good. I mean, I don't know much about new signing cards, so, well, it's my first time. So, I think that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching me open these cards. If you want to buy this, a link is in the description. Hopefully you enjoy. Have a good day, and as I told, it's your opinion on what you want to buy. If you want to go over with the new signings, sure. Multi-packs, sure. I think multi-packs over flow packs any day. These are the cards which it includes. If it doesn't have any number, that means it's 100% chance. So one exclusive generation. This was our exclusive. The generation now, Rafaelio was our exclusive generation. You can also get platinum pulls, man of the matches, Chrome Shield, Time to Shine, entertainers, and signature cards. So I'm just gonna pause. You can just pause the screen whenever you want. You can take a picture of this just to make sure to see what you've got. Yep, I think that's enough. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like this video. It's Aryan. Goodbye.